Hello everyone, welcome back once again to Lydia's Kitchen. I hope you all are doing well. In this video I share with you how to make simple and delicious beans spring rolls. It tastes very nice with the beans filling and also crunchy as well. So in this recipe I'll be using spring rolls wraps. You can find this in your local supermarkets and also very convenient for your spring rolls. I also have a recipe on how to make spring rolls from scratch using the flour mixture. I have here plain cooked beans, so I've scooped some of the cooked beans onto the pastry and I'm brushing the edges with some flour mixture. Now I'm going to fold it nicely and seal it with the flour mixture, and I'm going to continue the same process until it's all done. So it's just as simple as this, very easy to fold. Please comment down below if you have tried beans spring rolls before. So next I'm going to deep fry them in a heated oil on a medium heat, and I'll deep fry them for about 5 minutes until it's nice and golden. And please, if you are watching until this far, thank you all so much for watching, and please remember to subscribe, like and share if you like this recipe. I also have a lot of recipes on my channel, so please consider watching them, and I hope you like and enjoy them as well. And at this point it's nicely done and golden, so I'll go ahead and remove them onto a paper towel to soak the excess oil. And please, if you don't want the beans plain, you can saute it in a little bit of oil with some onions and it will come out very nice as well. So at this point our delicious, simple and crunchy beans spring rolls is all done and ready, and it also goes very well with sweet chili sauce. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Thank you all so much for watching.